My name is Amber Harris, and I'm your marketing consultant. So a little background on me. So I've been working in marketing and advertising since 2010. And in those years, I have worked on a lot of brands, some of which are very large and well known, such as AT&T and BMW, to name a couple. And one thing about very large brands is that they have multi-million-dollar marketing budgets that they use to hire agencies who employ marketing executives, such as myself, to help them build and grow their brands. And I've been doing just that for over a decade now. So recently I decided that I would take all of my experience and knowledge that I've been sharing over the years with these very large businesses and focus in on helping small businesses and entrepreneurs that do not have those same large marketing budgets, but still need that same level of expertise to help their businesses succeed. And that's why I started IYMC. So with that said, this page will be packed full of free marketing tips and advice to help you appropriately brand and grow your business. Now, if that sounds like something that would be helpful to you or that you would be interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Again, my name is Amber Harris. I'm your marketing consultant, and I'll see you around.